everyone. Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have here Coach Roger Correa of the Capital One Solar Spikers, who won in 5 sets against the Next-led Chameleons. Coach, congratulations on this big win. Anong masasabi mo sa naging performance ng team?
Ito na, kasi bumalik na naman. Before the start of the game, sinabihan ko, we cannot start slow. Super slow yung start namin. Lamang kami. Tapos sa second set, ganun. Naiipit kami, lagi nga ang score, 5-9. Naiipit kami ron sa 9. Second set, ganun din, 5-9. Naiipit din kami doon. Kaya sabi ko sa kanila, yung third set, lampasan kaagad natin yung 9. Lagi naman tayong leading eh. Pero hindi ko alam anong jinx meron yung number 9 na yun. Luckily, doon sa third set, fourth set, fifth set, nalampasan kaagad namin yung 9. Kaya, masaya pa rin ako, pero siyempre, pagod na pagod sila, kahahabol dun sa namanalo ng isang set. Diba? Ang hirap noon, pero nalampasan naman nila.
Thank you, Coach. You also have Marina to show back here at the Capital One Solar Spikers. Marina, you just broke your own record. Previously, you set a new record here with 49 points. What can you say about your own performance?
What I can say about my own performance? I don't know, I just play, I just enjoy and play with my team. And about this game, so thanks to my coach, he saw me, he listened to me, and he gave me a lot before last game and this game. So I did good job, we did good job together, and today I felt like I'm on a game. I didn't feel like I'm somewhere else. I'm just attacking and cannot make points. Yes, sometimes it was today, but I was more comfortable on the court and more confident.
Thank you, Marina.
She was in pain yesterday. I
Yeah,
was worried. She was in pain in one arm. That's why I tried to...
Yeah, I couldn't move my arm yesterday, but
Yes.
today, like, everything is okay.
Marina, you've been making your own mark here in the Philippines, breaking records. What does this mean to you?
Oh, it means a lot. It means that this girl, like 1 week ago, it was another girl, and it means like I'm improving. It means a lot for me, really.
Marina, you've been consistently performing well for Capital One. So can you share us your drive or your fuel to perform this high caliber type of performance?
All what we need? Like we need to work everywhere, and physical work and work with balls. Like we need to do everything, and we do. About like my own performance, like what I'm doing, especially for me, I don't do anything special for real. I have to do it more like professionally, and I see how girls does it with me. I'm just out, after the game, I'm out. Okay, I can do some procedures for me, like my routine, like eyes, all this stuff. It's maximum what I can do. Normally, between practices or after practice, I'm just at home. I'm not chilling everywhere. I'm not like having fun, but I'm resting and practicing. That's it.
Coach Roger, can you just discuss kung paano niyo po na-scout si Marina?
Si Marina, how did I scout? I talked to a certain person. I asked him, can you recommend to me two players only? He sent me 2 video. And then, yung video nung una, I have reservation, second thoughts. And when he sent Marina's video, I'll take this player. I'll take him. Nung una, siyempre, alam mo naman, maraming, wag yan. Not her, choose another one. No, I have to stick to my gut feeling, instinct as a volleyball coach. I'll stick to her no matter what. If I lose, resign ako. And Marina has proven a lot na I made the right choice. Yan lang. Napakasimple lang nung pag-uusap na yon. 2 days. 2 days lang. We tried to contact her agent. Ganun lang kasimple. In less than 4 days or 5 days, she was already signing
Yeah,
the
because
contract.
it was my goal right here. I said already, I got the invitation a few years ago, but we didn't find the agreement between the team. I don't remember the name of the team, to be honest. Yeah, and I was really like looking for a team here. So they found me.
So
Thank you.
She's very lucky. She chose me. No, I'm just happy. Like I've said before, I would rather see Marina on our side than playing against her. Ako mahihirapan. We will have a hard time on her. Being a very new team. Marami siyang na-share. Playing this way, marami siyang na-share dun sa mga player natin na local. They see her as a high intensity player. Worst day, 20 points. Worst na yun And then 24, and then 28, and then 45, 49 na ngayon. Pataas na siya eh. Tsaka, siyempre, sila kasi, pag naglalaro dito, when she plays here, many people outside of the Philippines are watching her also. So parang ini-scout din siya. So then there will be offers for her. Marina, play for our team. Go to this country and play for our team. And she has to play talaga. Hindi naman natatapos dito it's not the end of her playing here. She has another country in the future after this. For all we know, baka may offer na sa kanya. Do you have any other offer after this tournament?
Yes.
Oh, meron na nga eh. Kasi nakikita yan eh. So maganda. Good for her career.
Coach, paano lang po ma-maintain ng team or linya po yung health ni Marina since, ayun nga po, para nabanggit nyo kanina, may
Marina kasi he has high tolerance for pain eh. Kahapon, hindi niya na magalaw yung isang kamay niya eh. Nag-worry na ako kahapon pa lang. Sabi ko sana makalaro ng maayos ngayon. Nagulat ako ngayon, parang wala nangyari kahapon. She's always there to play, no matter what. That's how professional players talaga should be. And she is very professional. Alam niya, she knows that the team needs her. The team needs her. That's why whatever happens, she plays. That's why, when was that? I asked her not to practice one day, that you can rest. When was that?
It was just right after game, after last game.
After last game.
Yes.
Pagpahinga kasi sagad sa sa palo. Pero nandun siya, nag-therapy.
Yeah, I did my job.
Papahinga
it was so
lang.
good.
Marina, can you just explain a little bit what prompted the, not injury, but the pain in your arm that made it difficult for you to move it?
Yeah, I was taking a ball in defense, so like this, and I pulled my muscles here, and next day, like I couldn't like do like this. So yeah, it was yesterday. But I attack a bit, and then yes, like it was so bad. Yeah, really. Yesterday evening, I know it was morning practice. Yes.
Pinagpahinga
So
ko
and
na
after I had yesterday all day, so it's like ice, stents, pills, blah 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 blah, and then yeah, today I woke up. I'm like, wow, I have a new arm. Good.
Pinagpahinga ko na siya kahapon when I saw her because she doesn't spike but off speed lang. And I asked her what happened. Sakit daw yung kamay niya. You rest. Go to our PT and then hinayaan ko siya. Kami na lang naglaro. Kasi kailangan niya talagang magpahinga. Parang parang we call it trabahong kalabaw, di ba? Ito naman talagang being a professional player, talagang she needs some time to relax lang.
And Marina, you've expressed it over and over again that you've always wanted to play in the Philippines, even years ago. Why is that? Over other countries, what made you particularly choose the Philippines as one of your destinations?
So first of all, my friend played here, and
Who?
Lena Limarova.
Okay.
I guess in Chocomucho. She played Chocomucho, I guess. But she was not one season. She was a few seasons here. She's Ukrainian girl, black hair. Yeah, and like first of all, I want to see the Asian competition. So then I met her. She told me about Philippines. And so that's all. She told me that it's the best funds ever here in Philippines. So yeah, and she told me a lot of good things. And yeah, that's it. That's it. I'm like, I want to play here. Yeah, it's great experience, you know. I love to see people. I want to meet new people. So like this, you can learn every day. It's so good. Like.
And Capital One is a few wins away from advancing to the playoffs. So even though you broke the scoring record twice, how much more important is it for you to make sure that Capital One can make a deep run into the playoffs?
I hope really these more 2 games, I need all my team to be in. I want all of them to feel that they can score the point. So now I want to be behind them to help them to feel that someone is here, I'll help you, but please try to do it by yourself first. So, and really like next games, I hope more girls will feel better, will feel like this fire inside, and will improve, because after these few games, we're gonna have much harder game, you know. So now, doesn't matter, like, for example, we will go there for these 8 teams, okay, I will make 50 points again, you know, like, or something else, a lot of points, but we will not win after, for sure. One player I cannot play, I want them to be sure that I'm here, so now I want them to try it. Next few games, coach. Let's do it.
Marina, you told us about the injury or the pain that you felt yesterday. So, how valuable was that rest for you heading into this game? Or how did it motivate you rather to that you rested yesterday and you came out scoring 49 points for Capital One today?
I did play a few sets yesterday, so I moved, you know, still like I need work. What was the question? Like
How did the rest that you gained yesterday, or how did your rest motivate you for today's game?
You like, I don't know, you don't think about this pain, you know, like when you at the practice you can like, oh, I have pain, you know, like this, but on a game I was playing with broken finger. It was like all purple, you know. I couldn't touch the ball here, but I was playing. They like did tape for me and you play. And the hardest moment was on the serve, like you have to serve and now it's gonna hurt you. Okay, this moment, but still, like after you attack, you get the ball, you're spiking and you don't feel anything. I mean, you feel, but it doesn't matter. That's it.
Tapos coach, siguro can you walk us through kung gaano ka-important lang din na hindi lang si Marina yung parang nagpipick at the right time, kundi pati yung mga ibang players mo in Roma, in Leila, and Iris po. Parang picking at the right time po kumbaga ang Capital One.
Lately kasi, maski yung past game namin, yung depensa namin nawala kanina eh. Wala kaming floor defense, wala kaming block. Sinasabihan ko sila na this is not Marina's team, this is our team. You should help her. Walang mangyayari pag she will shoulder everything. Pero kanina talagang sinabihan ko si Marina, Marina, I'm very sorry but for this game, you have to shoulder the offense. Okay naman sa kanya. Pero sinasabihan ko yung local, hindi pwedeng ganyan. Buti nung 3rd set, 4th set, nakaka-block na kami. Yun lang, makatulong man lang eh. Kaya siguro by Monday, i-address ko yung problema na yan. Kasi alam mo naman ng Pinoy eh, pag merong ate, ikaw nang bahala, ate, nandyan ka. Alam naman nila eh, pero hindi tama. Hindi tama yung ganong mentality. I was telling them. yung some of our players, talagang they gave you all the responsibility in office. That cannot be. Kasi doon sa kabila kanina, kung mapapansin nyo, yung import nila, when she goes down, magsi-service, after the service, all Filipino na eh. Sabi ko, bakit, why cannot maximize yung andun si Marina, tapos puro Pinoy na. Yun yung nangyari sa amin sa first 2 sets. Kailangan katukin mo yung, you have to knock on their conscience eh. Para naman matauhan sila. Nag-respond naman, pero third set na, nakakatakot na. We are trying to win in 5 sets. Ang hirap eh. This is, correct me if I'm wrong, pero this is the first time that we lost the first 2 sets, and then we were able to recover in 5 sets. Dati, talo kami first set, talo kami second set, we win on the third set, tapos fourth set, wala na kami, hanggang fourth set lang. Medyo nag-iba na yung bumalik yung depensa, hindi na kami malaglagan. Ay, nako.
Thank you, Coach.
Ay,
Thank you,
salamat.
Marina. Congrats on the win.
Congratulations.
Magtatanong pa, magbabayad na ako.